सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः and welcome to our 238th class today in the new year. I wish all the viewers of learners of Sanskrit Angla Navavarshasya Subhashayaः सर्वेषाम् अस्माकं छात्राणां कृते. So on this 2nd of January we are doing the Upasarga study, as you know, and we have finished half of the story in the previous class from the story based on Mahabharata, Karnasya Udarata, the generosity of Karna. We are going through Srinivas, and I think 2 small paragraphs are over. 3rd paragraph has to be read out. Yeah, you can go ahead with that. तदा
वर्षाकालः प्रावर्तते अतः कुतश्चित् केनचित् प्रकारेण वा दारु आनीयते चेत् आर्द्रं भविष्यति। तथापि युधिष्ठिरः सेवकान् नगरं प्रेषितवान्। ते सेवकाः सर्वत्र परिभ्रम्य न कुत्रापि शुष्कं चन्द्रकाष्ठं प्राप्तवन्तः।
तदा वर्षाकालः प्रावर्तत प्रवर्तते इति वर्तमानकाले लटि प्रवर्तते इति started. Pravartata started. This is the lung lakara, past tense of pravartate. Pra plus a, pra, we have done in the previous class. So many verbs we derived in past tense. Pra plus a, pra, pravartata, atmanepadi. Ataha, then the rainy monsoon started. Ataha, therefore, kutaschit kenachit prakarena va, and from nowhere kutaschit kenachit prakarena va, or by any means, from nowhere and by any means also, daru kastam, daru nama kastam, the wood, aniyati chet, supposing from somewhere or the other, from somewhere or somehow, kenachit prakarena means somehow, from somewhere and somehow, if daru, the wood is brought, the sandalwood, dry sandalwood pieces are brought, chet, aniyate chet, if they are brought somehow or from somewhere, ardram bhavishyati, yeah, ardram bhavishyati, they will become wet. Since monsoon started, if somehow he managed to get some pieces of dry sandalwood pieces, so shushka daru, kesham daru, chandana daru, chandana kastani kutaschit aniyante chet ardrani bhavishyanti, they will become wet. Tathapi, still, avyaya, Yudhishthira, the king, sevakan nagaram preshitavan, even then he sent his servants to the city to fetch for the Brahmana. Te sevakaha, those servants, sarvatra paribhramya, they having roamed everywhere in the city. Nagare sarvatra te sevakaha paribhramya, atitva, paribhramya nama atitva, na kutrapi shushkam chandana kastam praptavantaha. They could not find anywhere dry pieces of sandalwood, dry sandalwood pieces. Te kutrapi ते सेवकाः न कुत्रापि शुष्कं चन्दनकाष्ठं प्राप्तवन्तः।
ततः धर्मराजः
न्यवेदयत्
इदानीं शुष्कं चन्दनकाष्ठं कुत्रापि नैव मिलति। अन्यत् किमपि इच्छतः चेत् वदतां सहसा दास्यामि इति। कृष्णाः प्रत्यवदत् मास्तु, शुष्कं चन्दनकाष्ठं नास्ति चेत् अन्यत् किमपि न अभिलषामि। ततः अर्जुनेन सह भगवान् श्रीकृष्णः तेनैव ब्राह्मणवेषेण कर्णस्य द्वारं प्राप्तवान्।
So Tataha Dharmarajaha Nyavedayat. Then Dharmaraja told them, informed to Krishna in disguise, Brahmana. Brahmana Veshadhari कृष्णाय न्यवेदयेत् इदानीं शुष्कं चन्दनकाष्ठं कुत्रापि नैव मिलति ही सेड नौ वर्षाकालः अस्ति इति अतः इदानीं न कुत्रापि चन्दनकाष्ठं शुष्कं चन्दनकाष्ठं लभ्यते इति न मिलति नाम न लभ्यते कुत्रापि नैव मिलति नैव लभ्यते अन्यत् किमपि इच्छतः चेत् यदि भवन्तौ ब्राह्मणौ अन्यत् किमपि इच्छतः चेत् इफ यू डिजायर समथिंग एल्स अन्यत् इच्छतः भवन्तौ अन्यत् किमपि इच्छतः चेत् भवन्तौ इज अंडरस्टूड हियर वदतां यू मे प्लीज टेल सहसा दास्यामि इति आई विल इमीडिएटली गिव यू सो धर्मराजा सेड I will immediately give you if you desire anything else, since the dry sandalwood is not possible to get now. So sahasa is also an avyaya. Sahasa akasmat shigram dasyami. Krishna pratyavadat. Krishna replied to Dharmaraja. Dharmarajam pratyavadat mahastu. Don't want. Shushkam chandana kastam nasti chet. If you do not have dry sandalwood, anyat kimapi na abhilashami. I don't desire anything else. If you do not have dry sandalwood, anyat kimapi na abhilashami, na vanchami, na ichchami iti. Na abhilashami nama na ichchami. Anyat kimapi na ichchami. If you do not have the dry sandalwood, then I do not want anything else. Tataha, thereafter, then, tataha means then, Arjunena saha Bhagavan Sri Krishna, along with Arjuna, Lord Sri Krishna, tenaiva brahmana veshena, so with the same dress, putting on the same robes of brahmana, karnasya dwaram praptavan. He went over to, he reached the dwara, entrance of Karna's palace. Or Karna's place. Karnasya dwaram praptavan. He reached Karna's place. Dwara means here entrance. Next.
Karna shraddhaya tau samasevata. Saha tau asandayoho upaveshya agamanasya abhiprayam paryapruchat. Krishna tadeva vakyam shushka chandana darunam amsabharam kamaye iti avartayat. तच्छ्रुत्वा कर्णः सहसा धनुः
समुत्थापितवान्. Okay, you can pass. Karnaha Shraddhaya. When they went to Karna, Karnaha Shraddhaya tau nama atra Krishna Arjunau, Arjuna Krishnau, Arjuna Krishnau अथवा Krishna Arjunau. तौ कृष्णार्जुनौ समसेवता सम्यक् असेवता सम्यक् रूपेण असेवत समसेवता. He welcomed them very well. He did their welcome very well. Saha, that is Karnaha, tau asandayoho upaveshya. He made them sit on the chairs. Tau asandayoho, because there are two people. Asandayoho upaveshya. Upaveshya means sitting. Upaveshya means making them to sit. So having made them sit on chairs, both, agamanasya abhiprayam paryapruchat. Then he asked about the purpose of their coming. Abhiprayam paryapruchat. This is paripruchati in present tense. Paryapruchat in past tense. Pari plus a, paryapruchat. Paryapruchat asked. Krishna tadeva vakyam. Krishna repeated the same sentence. Yad vakyam Dharmarajaya niveditavan. Dharmaraja samakshe yad vakyam Sri Krishna uktavan. Tadeva vakyam Karnasya puraha api uktavan. Tadeva vakyam Shushka chandana darunam amsabharam iti avartayati. He repeated the same sentence which was told before Dharmaraj. Tat shrutva, having listened to that words, Karnaha sahasa, all of a sudden, suddenly, immediately. Sahasa means here immediately. Tat shrutva Karnaha sahasa dhanuhu samuthapitavan. Immediately Karna took up his bow. Samuthapitavan means lifted his bow. Samyak uthapitavan. Yeah, he lifted his bow.
Paritameva
Banaihi
Varani Asandan
Kapatan
Paryankan Bahuni Chandana Daru Nirmitani Vastuni
Vikhanditavan.
एवं तयोः पुरतः चन्दनकाष्ठानां
राशिं
कृतवान् तद्
विलोक्य
कृष्णः कर्णम् अपृच्छत् भो राजन् भवान् किमर्थम् एतानि बहुमूल्यानि द्रव्याणि
विनाशयति. So Karna immediately lifted the bow. Karna Sahasa Shikrameva Dhanuhu Samuthapitavan. Here Dhanush Shabda is Shakaranta. We have studied Dhanuhu, Dhanushi, Dhanumshi. Dhanuhu, this is Dvitiya Ekavachana. Dhanuhu Samuthapitavan. He lifted the bow. Tvaritameva, immediately, Banihi Dvarani, and he took the bow, lifted the bow, and with arrows, Dvarani, Banihi with the arrows, Dvarani the doors, Asandan the chairs, Kapatan the cupboards, Paryankan the cots, Bahuni Chandana Daru Nirmitani, and many other furniture which were made of sandalwood. Bahuni Chandana Daru Nirmitani Vastuni. Many things which were made of this sandalwood. What did he do? Vikhanditavan. He broke them with the arrows. He took up the bow, and with the arrows he broke the doors, the chairs, the cupboards, the cots, and many other things made of sandalwood. Evam, in this way, tayoho purataha, tayoho brahmanayoho purataha, tayoho brahmana vesha dharinoho purataha, before those two Krishna Arjunayoho purataha, Chandana Kashtanam Rashim Kritavan. Then he made a heap of sandalwood pieces before them. He put them. Tad Vilokya, seeing that, having seen this heap of Tad Rashim, Tam Rashim Vilokya Društva, Krishna Karnam Aprucha. Then Krishna asked Karna, Bho Rajan, O king, Bhavan kimartam etani bahumulyani vastuni dravyani vinashayati. Why are you destroying these things which are very costly? Why are you destroying all this costly furniture made of sandalwood? No. He replied,
Samprati Varshakalah Prachalati Kutrapi Shushkam Kashtam na
Samupalabhyate
Yatra Kutrapi Milishyati
Chet
Tadanayane Punaha Ardram Bhavishyati Bhavan Kevalam Shushkam Kashtam Abhilashati.
Okay. Karnaha Pratyavadat. Karna replied, Prativadati Pratyavadat. Bhutakala Prayogaha. He Vipravara, O excellent Brahmin. He Vipravara, O excellent Brahmana. Samprati Varshakalaha Prachalati. Now monsoon, Varshakala is going on. Prachalati means is going on. Now what is the season? The monsoon season is going on. Kutrapi, anywhere, nowhere, Shushkam Kastam na Samupalabhyate. Nowhere dry sandalwood piece is available because monsoon is going on. Yatra Kutrapi Milishyati Chet. If somewhere or other it will be found, supposing it is found, Tad Anaye, Tada, then Anayane, Tadanayane means Tada, then Anayane, in bringing. Tada, Yadi Milishyati, Tada Anayane, then in bringing Punaha Ardram Bhavishyati. While getting them, again it will become wet. Tada Anayane, Tesham Anayane, or you can say Punaha Ardram Bhavishyati. They will become, the wood will become wet. Bhavan Kevalam Shushkam Kastam abhilashati. You only desire the dry sandalwood. Ataha, yes. Upayantarabhavat.
एतानि वस्तूनि
Vikhanditavan.
किंच एतानि द्रव्याणि कालांतरे पुनः निर्मितानि भविष्यन्ति एतेषां विनाशेन मयि खेदः नास्ति परन्तु इतः अतिथिः रिक्तः
निवर्तिष्यते
चेत् एतस्य
कष्टं एतस्य कष्टं मम हृदयं
भृशं परिपीडयिष्यति.
Okay, you can pause there. Ataha, therefore, upaya antara abhavat. Two Savarna Dirasandhis, making this such a big, look like a big word. First break it, upaya plus antara plus abhavat, upayantara abhavat. Since there is no other go, alternative go, upayantara abhavat, since there is no other, due to lack of alternative method, of getting the wood, etani vastuni vikhanditavan. I have broken these things, I have broken this furniture because there is no other go, there is no other alternative go. Kimcha, moreover, kimcha means avyaya, moreover, etani dravyani, these things, kalantare, in course of time, punaha nirmitani bhavishyanti, they can be made again. See, I have broken this furniture, but they can be made in course of time. Got it? Etani dravyani kalantare punaha nirmitani bhavishyanti, they will be made in course of time. Etesham vinashena, with the destruction of this furniture, mahi khedaha nasti, mahi dukkham nasti iti. Khedaha nama dukkham. I have no regret in destroying this costly furniture. As Krishna remarked, I have no I have no regret or I have no sadness. Khedaha, I have no regret in doing this. Parantu, but itaha atitihi, my only worry, according to Karna says, he says, itaha, from here, from my place, itaha nama mattaha, from me. Itaha means from this direction. Tataha means from there, itaha means from here. From here refers to from Karna. Itaha karnataha, itaha nama atra karnataha, from Karna, atitihi, a guest, riktaha astaha nivartishyati. So Karna is known for donorship, na? He is a great donor. So he never let anybody who came to him for asking go with empty hands. That was Karna's record, that he gave something or the other, whatever he had, and sent the person. So he says, Parantu, but itaha, from this my side, atitihi rikta hastaha nivartishyati. If I don't break this furniture, you are my guest, you will go with empty handed. You will return with empty hand. Rikta hasta. Rikta hastaha nivartishyate means you will return. Chet, supposing you return, you will return without, with empty hands. Etasya kashtam, the worry of this act, mama hridam nama hridayam, mama hridayam, brusham adhikam, Bhrisham nama adhikam paripidayishyati. This act will pain my heart a lot. This will pain my heart a lot. Bhrisham paripidayishyati. I think
Karnaha sevakan apuya brahmanena saha kashtabharam preshitavan. Brahmana rupaha bhagavan api yashasvi bhava. Iti karnaya ashisham
pradaya
arjunena saha
niragachat. Evam, in this way, uktva, saying like this, Karnaha sevakanahuya, having said like this, Karna having called all his servants, sevakan ahuya, having called his servants, Brahmanena saha kastabharam preshitavan. He sent along with the Brahmin, Krishna, the kastabharam means the load of kastabharam means kastabharam, sorry, the load of sandalwood. Chandana kastabharam Brahmanena saha sevakai saha preshitavan. He sent them. Brahmana rupaha Bhagavan, Sri Krishna, who was in the guise of Brahmana, Api also, then he gave him a blessing. Yashasvi bhava. Vijayi bhava he didn't say, because Krishna would not say that. Yashasvi bhava iti karnaya asisham pradaya. Having given Ashirvada to Karna, saying, be yashasvi, be popular person, be famous. Yashasvi bhava iti Karnaya asisham pradaya. Having given the blessing to Karna, be glorious, be famous. Arjunena saha niragachat. He went away with, along with Arjuna. Next. Pratyagamanantaram. Again, two sandhis are here.
Pratyagamanantaram. Krishna Arjunam prabodhitavan. Sakhe Arjuna Dharmarajasya Yudhishthirasya bhavane api dvarani asandaha anyani cha dravyani chandanadarubihi nirmitani santi. Parantu tani vastuni Pradatum Yudhishthirasya Smaranam na abhavat. Kincha.
You can stop there. 3 years. Now again a word like which came upayantara bhavat, like that. Pratyagamananantaram. Prati agamana anantaram. Nothing to worry here. Only breaking. Prati agaman, Pratyagamana anantaram. Or you can either break 2 ways or 1 way. Pratyagamana anantaram or Prati agamana anantaram. Pratyagamana anantaram means after returning, which means after returning, Krishna Arjunam prabodhitavan. Krishna informed to Arjuna, enlightened Arjuna rather, prabodhitavan, educated him. Sakhe Arjuna, friend Arjuna, Dharmarajasya Yudhishthirasya bhavane api. King Dharmaraja, your brother Dharmaraja Yudhishthira, in the house of Yudhishthira also, in the palace, Yudhishthirasya bhavane api dvarani asandaha anyani cha vastuni dravyani chandana daruvihi nirmitani santi. Even Yudhishthira has in his palace all these things made of sandalwood. But did he break there? The idea of breaking them and giving to the needy person did not occur to the mind of Yudhishthira. Whereas it occurred to Karna, who is great now. That is what is. You got it, na?
Yeah.
Dvarani asandaha anyani cha dravyani chandana darubihi chandana kastaihi nirmitani santi. Parantu, but tani vastuni pradatum, to give those things, Yudhishthirasya smaranam na abhavat. Yudhishthira could not get the memory of donating those things made of sandalwood. Kimcha, moreover,
Kincha shushkachandana kashtasya yajane
pratyutpannamatihi
udara manascha karnaha tani
sarvani mahargha vastuni
vinashya avabhyam samarpitavan. Vastutaha Yudhishthirah tu vicharya dharme
pravartate.
Kintu karnaha swabhavatah udaraha. Atah karnasya udarata mahitale mahiyate.
So now Krishna establishes the generosity of Karna. The lesson is Karnasya udarata. So he says here, Kimcha, moreover, Krishna is saying, Shushka Chandana Kastasya Yachane, in In asking the Shushka Chandana Kasta, the dry sandalwood, Pratyutpannamatihi Udaramanascha Karnaha Tani Sarvani Maharga Vastuni Vinashya Avabhyam Samarpitavan. In our asking the Shushka Chandana, what did Karna do? Pratyutpannamati, that is the adjective here used for Karna. Prati Utpannamatihi. Pratyutpannamatihi means a ready-witted person. Ready-witted. Highly intelligent otherwise, it means ready-witted. Pratyutpannamatihi Udara Manascha. One more adjective used here. Udara Manascha, noble-hearted, noble-minded. Udara, generous, generous-minded. Udara Manascha Karnaha. Two adjectives here. Pratyutpannamatihi Udara Manascha Karnaha. Tani Sarvani, all those Maharga Vastuni. What did he do? All those Tani Sarvani Maha Argha Vastuni. Argha means costly, valuable, highly costly, highly valuable. Tani Sarvani Mahargha Vastuni. Highly costly, very costly, all those costly things. Vinashya, having destroyed, Avabhyam Samarpitavan. He donated to us, having destroyed all those costly furniture. Vastutaha, in reality, Yudhishthiraha tu vicharya dharme pravartati. Yudhishthira always thinks and then he maintains the dharma. He is a dharma raja only. He thinks and does things. Whereas Kintu Karnaha Swabhavataha, by nature Udara, is nature, by nature he doesn't think about. He doesn't think about how to donate, what to donate. Whatever he gets, he donates. That is his Swabhava. See, Dvayoho atra Dharmarajasya Karnasya madhye kaha bhedaha, Swabhava bhedaha asti. Karnaha Swabhavataha eva udaraha purushaha. Dharmarajaha Dharmam vicharya Dharma paddatim asritya eva karyam karoti. He has his own way of functioning. This person has his own way of functioning. So therefore, therefore, Karnasya udarata, the generosity of Karna, mahitale mahiyante, is great on this earth. Is established on this earth. So finally, who is great between the Yudhishthira and Karna? Karna, Dharmaraja, Karnayoho, kaha unnata swabhava means Karnaha eva unnata swabhava. Varnyaha. So that is it. Subhashitam is also there at the end. Tyaga eko gunaha slagyaha kimanyaihi gunarashibihi. So this says sacrifice, tyaga. Eka gunaha, ekaha gunaha. Sacrificial quality, the donating quality of a person alone should be taken. What is the use of having so many qualities if he can't donate a single paisa? When that is it. You should be charitable. The quality of charitable only should be praised. What if he has got many other qualities and doesn't have the quality of tyaga? So tyaga is all the more praiseworthy. That is the. So we have to go back, Srinivas, fast. See the verbs, highlighted verbs. Upasarga prayoga. Now go to first page. Prasiddha. Pra upasarga is there. Siddha. Pratyagachat. Pra upasarga there. Prati is there. Prati upasarga. A plus agachat. Then prashamsat. Pra plus ashamsat. Prashamsat. Prashamsa is noun. Praised. Prashamsat, praised. Prashamsa is noun here. Third line. Pratyabhashata. Prati abhashata. Replied. Atmanepada. Pratyavadat. Replied. Prati avadat. Pratyavadat. Yanadisha sandhi. Prashamsati is a simple present tense with pra upasarga. Pratibodhayishyami. prati is the upasarga, bodhayishyami is the verb. Samahutavan is tavatu pratyanta. Sam ahutavan. Sam upasarga, a upasarga, and then hutavan is the hve, hutavan. This is tavatu pratyaya, but there are two upasargas here. Samahutavan, what are the? Sam is one, a is another. Sama, samalochana.
Oh.
Sam plus a plus lochana, samalochanam. So you know by now two upasargas can be there also, 2, 3.
Samahutavan means
Samahuta invited. Ekada Krishna Arjunam samahutavan, ahutavan. Ahutavan with some upasarga, samahutavan. Paridhaya, this is a lep prayoga. Pari upasarga, dha is the dhatu, dharati. And then ya, lep, you get only ya remaining. Paridhaya means having put on. Then sampraptavantau, sam plus prap, pra plus ap. Sam upasarga plus pra upasarga, then apa dhatu. Sampraptavantau means reached. Vidaya is again V, this is lep, V plus dha plus ya, vidhaya. Having done this here, pratyabhashata already come, prati plus abhasha. Pravartata also, pravartate in present tense, vartamana kale pravartate iti. Bhutakale, pra plus avartata, pravarta started. Preshitavan, this is tavatu pratyayanta, Srinivas. Preshitavan, presha dhatu is there. Preshitavan. No upasarga here. Paribramya, pari upasarga. Brahmadhatu, lep, this is levanta. Praptavantaha, this is tavatu pratyanta. Praptavan, praptavantau, praptavantaha. Pra plus apa itself. Nyavedayat, this is ni plus avedayat, informed. Ni plus avedayat becomes nyavedayat. Pratyavadat has come several times, replied pratya. Praptavan, pra plus aptavan. Reached. Samasevata, sam plus asevata, welcomed, welcomed, you can say. Upaveshya, upa plus a plus veshya, vishdhatu veshya. Then pariyapruchat, apruchat, sorry. Samuthapitavan, sam plus ud plus stha, sam plus, there are two upasargas, sam plus ut. Samuttapitavan. Avartayat. This is a upasarga plus a avartayat. A plus a is equal to a vartayat, means repeated. Repeated the same sentence. Avartanam means repetition. Punaravartanam. Avartanam means repetition. Vikhanditavan, khanda dhatu. V upasarga, vikhanditavan means broke. That is tavatu pratyanta. Vilokya, lep. V, locha dhatu becomes lok plus ya, vilokya, having seen. Vinashayati, simple present tense. Vinashayati, pratyavadat repeated, prachalati repeated. Samupalabhyati, this is a passive construction which we are going to soon get. That is going to come a very important aspect. Another, sam plus upa plus labhyate is not available, well available. It's samupa labhyate. Labhyate is not a present tense, it is passive construction. Labhyate is available. That we'll see later. Abhilashati, present tense. Vikhanditavan again came. Vinashena, that is upasarga V is there. Nashena, trutiya, this is simple. Nivartishyati, ni upasarga. Purvakat, vritta dhatuhu. Sorry, very sorry. Nivartishyati, paripidishyati, pidayishyati. Pari plus pidayishyati. Ahuya, this is lep prayoga. A upasarga. Hu dhatu, ya is lep. Preshitavan, again This is a tavatu pratyanta. Pradaya, lep, pra plus da plus ya. Niragachat. How do you break this, Srinivas? Nir plus agachat. Niragachat went away. Pra upasarga, bodh dhatu, bodhitavan. Then pradatum, pra upasarga, da dhatu, dane. Pradatum, tumunanda. Pradatum, vinashya, having destroyed. Vi upasarga, nasha dhatu, but in causal sense, vinashya, having destroyed. Samarpitavan, tavatu pratyanta, sam upasarga, arpitavan. Vicharya, lyap, vicharya, pravartate, simple present tense. Udaraha is a, here it a noun is, this is udaraha. But this is a one word you can take, udara, udarata. Udarata is also noun. This is a abstract noun, udarata, strilinga, udaraha is also there. Now, swabhavataha udara, this udara is an adjective to karnaha. Udarata is a noun here. Karnasya udarata, generosity. Whereas udaraha means karna is generous. As there is a difference between being generous and generosity, udaraha, udarata are like that, Srinivas. So that is what is over with a little subhashita at the end. Tyaga eko gunaha slaghyaha kim anyaihi. How do you break this sandhi here, Srinivas? Kim anyaihi gunarashivihi. What is the use of other heaps of good qualities? Gunarashivihi. Anyaihi gunarashivihi kim prayojanamiti. Ekaha gunaha tyagaha eva slaghyaha. Only charity has to be praised. What is the use of having multitude of qualities with a person without having tyaga? Like Upanishad says, tyagena ikena amrutatvamanashuhu. So that is also, that is the order from the Veda also. Manavas, we are human beings, are supposed to indulge in, we are by nature selfish fellows. That is pointed out by the Veda. Human beings are by nature selfish, therefore they must do tyaga. There is no other go. Tyaga we must do, because we are by nature selfish. There is one story you must know, the story of the Upanishad. Okay, we will do that later. Now, Abhyasa Srinivas. Patadharena, on the basis of the lesson we have studied, Riktasthanani Purayata. Now, fill in the blanks. Read 2.
Ekada Bhagavan Sri Krishna Pandavan Pratyagachat.
Yes, Ekada once Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Lord Sri Krishna, Pandavan Pratyagachat, went over to the Pandavas. Yeah.
Bhavan.
So, what is the filling here? Pratyagachat. That's it. Bhavan
Bhratuhu Samaksham Karnam Bahu
Prashamsasi. Sati. Bhavan is there, Prashamsati. Not there?
Prashamsati. Bahu Prashamsati. It's this.
Which line?
Last part only.
Yeah.
The first paragraph.
This show them also. Bhavan Bhratuhu Samaksham Karnam Bahu Prashamsati. You are praising Karna. You are much praising Karna in the presence of my brother. Third. No, I'm sorry. You are much praising. I said that is not a good English. You are praising Karna much in the presence of my brother. I said you are much praising. Yeah, in English it is right. Third one.
अतः एकदा कृष्णः अर्जुनं
Samahutavan. Second para, beginning. First line. Samahutavan. So third one. Tataha then, ekada once. Watch the beauty of these words. Avyayas. Tataha is an avyaya. Ekada is an avyaya. Krishnaha Arjunam Samahutavan. Then one day, Krishna invited Arjuna. Samahutavan. 4.
युधिष्ठिरः सेवकान् नगरं
Preshitavan under.
प्रेषितवान्.
Yeah.
Second, third.
Yeah. Sevakan Nagaram Preshitavan. So Yudhishthiraha सेवकान् नगरं प्रेषितवान्. Yudhishthira sent his servants to the city. किमर्थं प्रेषितवान्? शुष्क चंदन दारु आनेतुं, चंदन काष्ठानि आनेतुं नगरं प्रेषितवान्. फिफ्थ, कर्णः
सहसा धनुः
समुत्थापितवान्. Here in the 429 page. Karna sahasa, immediately, quickly, dhanuhu samuthapitavan, took up lifted the bow. Karna immediately lifted the bow. No sooner Krishna asked for the dry pieces of sandalwood pieces than Karna immediately took up the bow. So we'll repeat just pratyagachat, first one. Ekada Bhagavan Sri Krishna Pandavan pratyagachat bhavan bhratuhu 2. Bhavan bhratuhu samaksham karnam bahu prashamsati. 3. Tataha ekada Krishna Arjunam samahutavan. 4. Yudhishthiraha sevakan nagaram preshitavan. 5. Karnaha sahasa dhanuhu samuthapitavan. In the second part of this 181 abhyasa, adholikitani padani yathochitam vibhajya likata. Now you divide the prefix and then write it as shown in the example. Pratyabhashata is equal to prati plus abhashata 2.
prashamsati.
No, 2 across.
Oh, sorry. Pratyavadat.
Prati plus avadat. So what sandhi this is, Srinivas? This is called yan sandhi, yanadisha sandhi. Prati avadat, pratyavadat. Good. 3.
Prashamsati.
Pra plus shamsati, that's it, shamsati. Pra plus shamsati. Samahutavan
Sam
plus a plus hutavan. Sam plus a plus hutavan. 5.
Vinash.
Very simple. V plus nashayati, vinashay. 6.
Paryapruchat.
Pari plus
Pruchat.
apruchat. Pari plus apruchat. 7.
Nyavedayat.
Ni plus avedayat. Again yanadisha sandhi. Ni plus avedayat, nyavedayat. 8.
Samupalabhyate.
Sam plus upa plus labhyate. Sam plus upa plus labhyate, samupalabhyate. 9. Abhi plus lashati.
Paripidayishyati.
Pari plus pidaishyati. Pidaishyati. Pidaishyati is one verb. So I think writing part repetition is better. I will just repeat fast. Prati plus avadat, pratyavadat. Pra plus shamsati, prashamsati. Sam plus a plus hutavan. V plus nashayati. 6. Pari plus apruchat. 7. Ni plus avedayat. 8. Sam plus upa plus labhyate. There are 2 upasargas here. Sam plus upa plus labhyate, samupalabhyate. Abhi plus lashati. Pari plus pidaishyati. So please watch carefully and then you will be able to split these, separate these upasargas, prefixes. Now the third part of this 181 abhyasa is yathochitam riktasthanam purayata. Now you fill the 4 blanks here as per requirement.
Prati plus
Agachat.
Pratyagachat.
Pratyagachat. No, Srinivas. It came just now. In the story it came.
Yeah.
Pratyagachat. Pratyagachat.
Nir plus agachat. Niragachat.
Niragachat. Niragachat. Sam plus
Asevata.
samasevata. It also came. Samasevata.
Pari plus apruchat.
Paryapruchat. Paryapruchat. So these are mostly very simple. 4 of them I will just write. You just tell me. Abhyasa.
181. Part 3.
Part 3. Part Roman.
No, sir.
Okay.
Roman 1.
Ah.
Prati plus agachat. Pratyagachat.
Next.
Nir plus agachat. Niragachat.
Yes.
Some plus asevata, samasevata.
Some plus samasevata.
Adi plus apruchat, ariya pruchat.
Now this is Yanadesha Sandhi. This is simple joining. This is also a simple joining. This is Yanadesha Sandhi. So एवं एकाशीत्युत्तर शततमः अभ्यासः समाप्तः भवति. एतस्मिन् अभ्यासे त्रयः अंशाः दत्ताः सन्ति. तान् त्रीन् अपि अंशान् वयं दृष्टवन्तः. समाधानानि अपि दत्तवन्तः. So we move on. Here we go to Subhashiteshu Upasarga Prayogaha. Very few Subhashitas, 4 are there. Simple ones, I think. Yeah, you can read one, Srinivas.
Viklavo viryahino yaha sadaiva manuvartate. Veera sambhavitatmano na daivam paryupasate.
There is some statement here. Viklavo viryahino yaha. Viklavo viryahino yaha sa daivam anuvartate. Who resorts to God, who goes over to God, who seeks the blessing of God, is that person. Saha Viklavaha. He is a frightened person, a frightened and alarmed person, a person who is afraid, who is alarmed. Viklavaha. Virya hinaha, and one who is powerless, very weak. Only a frightened and weak person goes to God, says the first line. Viklavaha virya hinascha purushaha yaha. Yaha means one who is like that. Yaha idrushaha viklavaha virya hinaha purushaha asti. Saha purushaha daivam anuvartati. He follows daivam. Daivam means here we will say fate. Here let us take not God here, fate, fatalism. See, a weak person and a person who is unnecessarily scared, he will not do anything and blame the Daivam. It is my fate. It is my Daivam means fate also. So he will blame the fate. He will seek excuse in the fate. What type of person? A person who is alarmed and scared, and one who is very weak person who cannot do. On the other hand, contrasting example, Veeraha Visarga Veeraha Sambhavitatmanaha. Understand? Sambhavita Atmanaha. This is plural. The first line, the Yaha Saha is there, Ekavachana. Yaha Viklavaha, Yaha Viryahinaha Purushaha Asti, Saha Tadrushaha Purusha Daivam Anuvartati. Parantu Veeraha, valorous people, Sambhavita Atmanaha. Sambhavita Atmanaha means people who are honorable people, respectable people, self-respected people. Sambhavitatmanaha means respectable people, esteemed people, and valorous people, Veeraha. 2 adjectives are given in the first line for that person. Here also 2 adjectives. Veeraha, Sambhavita Atmanaha. Sambhavita Atmanaha. Purushaha, understood. Understood? Purushaha. Te, we will take te word here. Tadrushaha te Purushaha. Na daivam paryupasate. They don't resort, they don't go after daivam. They don't go after fate. They work hard and achieve things. So people who say my fate and sit and cry are people who are frightened people and very timid people and also very incapable people. Virya hinaha means incapable, incapacitated people they are. Is it okay? Viraha sambhavitatmanaha na daivam pari upasati. This is plural. Pari upasate is plural of the verb. Upaste we have come across in 404 page. Behind 404, this dhatu is there, I will show you. It is like that. Got it? 404? Aste, asate, asa dhatu is given, na? Aste, asate, asati, plural. Paryupasati. Next is Srinivas.
Rajni dharmini dharmishtaha.
This is the most famous sloka. Only the last line is quarter is very famous.
Pape papaha
Same samaha.
Lokashta manuvartante yatha raja tatha prajaha.
Okay, before we go to this poem, what are the upasargas in the first one, Srinivas? V is not upasarga in Viklava. Devam anuvartati. That verb anuvartati. Daivam plus anuvartati. Follow. Viraha. You break this. Viraha visarga. Sambhavitatmanaha. That is also visarga sandhi. Sambhavitatmano. Both visarga sandhis. Na daivam. Again in the verb pari plus upasate. Pari upasarga is there, upasati is there. Now, Ragni dharmini, dharmishtaha, pape papaha, same samaha. Now, something is missing here that we have to bring in to understand. Ragni is Saptami Ekavachana of Rajan Shabda. There are two forms in Rajan Shabda, Nakaranta. Raja, Rajano, Rajanaha, Rajanam, Rajano. Ragnaha, Ragna, Rajabhyam, Rajavi, Chaturthi, Ragne, Rajabhyam, Rajabhyaha, Panchami, Ragnaha, Shashti, Ragnaha, Saptami, Ragni, Rajani also. There is one more form. Ragni is Saptami Ekavachana, Rajani. If you take a simple word like Nrupa Shabda, Nrupe, Bhupale, Ragni. Now, Dharmini, this is an adjective for Ragni, which is also in Saptami Ekavachana. So, this is what we will be reading later, Sati Saptami. Ragni, Dharmini, Sati. When the king is in Dharma, when the king is situated in Dharma, understand? Ragni, Dharmini, Sati, Dharmishtaha Janaha. Janaha is implied here. Prajaha implied. Dharmishtaha Janaha, Prajaha. When the king is situated in Dharma, people are also following the Dharma. Pape, Papaha. Ragni, Pape, Sati. When the king is situated in sin, is doing the sin. Pape is Saptami. Pape, Prajaha, Janaha api Papaha bhavanti. Yadi Ragni, Dharmini Sati, Janaha Dharmishtaha bhavanti. Yadi Ragni Pape Sati, Janaha Papaha bhavanti. Same, Yadi Ragni Same Sthitaha Sati. If the king is situated, is equally equal, neither he is doing dharma nor papa, he is striking a balance. Same. That means he is maintaining dharma. He is not sinful, he is not dharmic, very dharmic, but he is maintaining. So, Same, Ragni Same Sati, when the king is equal. Samaha, Prajaha. Understand? So whatever he does, if he is doing good, people are doing good. If he is doing sin, if he is committing sin, people become sinners. If he is equal in both, people are equally disposed to them. Then second line says, Lokaha, that is the subject here. I said Janaha, Prajaha, Lokaha, anything is same. Janaha, Lokaha, Prajaha, Lokaha, Tam Anuvartante. Tam, Visarga Sandhi here. Lokaha plus Tam, Tam Rajanam, Tam Nrupam, Tam Bhupalam Anuvartante. Follow. People, Lokaha, Tam, him, Tam is him, the king, Anuvartante, follow. Yatha Raja, Tatha Prajaha. As the king, so are the people. This is the most famous line. You know that. Yatha Raja, Tatha Prajaha. As the king, so are the people. If the king is dharmic, people are dharmic. If the king is sinful, people are sinful. If the king is equal, they are neutral, equal or neutral. Then Lokaha, people just follow the king. As the king, so are the people. This is the reason why a person in society who is having responsible position should behave well. That is where Bhagavad Gita was also commissioned, recorded by Lord Krishna. If Arjuna, being a fighter of the highest order, Kshatriya of a highest order, did not take up his arms to fight against injustice done by the Kauravas, who else will do? Who else will do? Then if Arjuna, the greatest of the warriors, did not fight, no other Kshatriya would fight for justice any time. He would be setting a wrong precedent to come for the ages to follow. So whatever we are supposed to do in society, that is why yadyadacharati sresthaha tattadevetaro janaha. Gita says that very clearly. Yadyad acharati sresthaha. Whatever the so-called best man in society follows, does, tattadeva, that very same thing, itaraha janaha, ordinary people do that. Sreshthas are very important in society. Whatever they follow, whatever they do, yes, ordinary people copy them. If a top film star shaves his head, goes blondie, becomes a blonde, then all his fans will become blondes. Yadyad acharati sreshtaha tattadevetaro janaha. Sayat pramanam kurute. Whatever standard he sets, lokas tadanuvarti. There also loka is there. Lokas tadanuvarti. Ordinary folks, people will follow the same. So people in the society who are occupying good positions must always set good examples, because they are being watched by the common people. Whatever they do, these people only look to their standards, look to their guidance. Such an important sloka this is. So this is a very famous sloka. Yatha Raja Tatha Praja. Now at a macro level this is. At a micro level, at a family level, Srinivas, in a family, father must be very good so that these children follow him. Children look to the father for standards, look to the father for guidance. So father must be well behaved so that his sons and daughters will follow him. In any organization, the boss must be good so that the subordinates follow him. The chairman must be good, the commissioner must be good, the prime minister must be good. Then automatically all his cabinet ministers follow him. So this holds everywhere the same. Is the time over? Okay, we'll stop. 2 more poems. Shubham Bhuyat.